Hello everyone, welcome to another learning time with Miss Blessing. In today's video, we're going to be learning to multiply 2 digits by 1 digit and multiply 3 digits by 1 digit. We're going to be using different methods to learn how to do this. First, let's start with multiplying 2 digits by 1 digit. So we've been asked to complete the missing part of each calculation. We want to solve 52 multiply 3. So we're going to use place value counters, expanded multiplication, and short multiplication. So how do we use place value counters to solve 52 multiply 3? Remember, 52 multiply 3 means 52 3 times. That is 52 plus 52 plus 52. When we have the addition sentence, it means add 52 3 times. So our place value counters shows 52 3 times. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. And then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. So we've represented 52 3 times. So how do we get our answer? What is 52 multiplied by 3? Rather than saying 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156. I bet you can see how tired I got already adding all those numbers individually. Now remember, in our tens column, how many tens makes 100? 10 tens makes 100. So rather than counting everything individually, I'm going to make an exchange. So I have 5 tens, 10 tens, and I have 15 tens. So I need to exchange 10 tens to the 100 place. So I'm going to move 10 tens away now to the 100 place. And here we go. I have 156. So my answer to this question using the place value counters is 156. Now let's use the expanded multiplication. For the expanded multiplication, first I have to multiply using number 3. Multiply first the ones and then the tens. So how many ones do I have? 2 ones. So 3 multiplied 2 gives me 6. Now I need to multiply the tens, which is 3 multiplied 50, and that is going to be 150, because I have 5 tens and 5 tens is the same as 50. Now when we add both together, what are we going to have? 6 plus 0 is 6, and then 5 and then 1, because there is nothing up here to add these two. Now let's use the short multiplication. For the short multiplication, we make exchange. So first, remember, you have to arrange your numbers based on the ones, the tens, and the hundreds, and then we start multiplying from the ones. Okay, so 3 multiplied 2 is 6, and 3 multiplied 5 is 15. But I'm going to write just 5, and I'm going to exchange the ones to the hundreds because I can't have 15 tens here. So 5 tens, and then I'm going to exchange the 1 to the hundreds place. Sometimes it is written below and sometimes it is written above, so it doesn't matter as long as you remember to make the exchange. So 3 multiplied 5 is 15. I write 5 in the tens place, and then I exchange 1 to the hundreds place. Now there is nothing to multiply anymore, so I'm just going to bring up the 1 here. So my answer is still 156. So look at the 3 different methods we use to multiply 52 times 3. Choose what is best for you and use it to do your multiplication problems efficiently. Now this is one for you to have a go. We've been asked to use short multiplication to solve these calculations. 62 multiply 8, 55 multiply 6. Pause the video and have a go. Remember, first arrange your numbers based on the ones, and the tens, ones and the tens, because we have only two numbers in each group. So this is the ones, this is the tens, this is the ones, this is the tens. So go ahead, pause the video and have a go. Welcome back. How did you get on? Let's do the first one first. 62 multiply 8. So we know that 8 multiplied 2 is 16. So I'm going to write 6 and I will exchange the ones to the tens place, and then I'm going to have 8 multiply 6, and that is 8 multiply 6 gives us 8 times 5 is 40, 8 times 6 is 48. So 48 plus the 1 we exchange, that will be 49. So I'm going to write 9 and exchange the 4 tens down to the hundreds. So I'm going to have 496 at the end. Now let's multiply 55 times 6. So let's arrange it first using the ones and the tens column. So here we go. Now 6 multiply 5 we know is 30, so we're going to have 0 down here and we're going to exchange the 3 to the tens, and then we have 6 multiply 5 again, that is 30. 30 plus 3 gives us 33. We write 3 and exchange the other 3 to the hundreds, and since there is nothing here to multiply anymore, we're going to bring up the 3 here. So our answer is 330. Were these your answers? Well done if you got it all correctly. Okay, which of these methods is the odd one out? Explain your reasoning. Pause the video and have a go. We have method A, we have method B, we have method C. Do you remember what these methods are again? Okay, have a look, pause the video and decide which is the odd one out. Welcome back. Did you remember that this is the short multiplication method, another short multiplication method, and the expanded method? So which is the odd one out? Did you say it was the expanded method, letter B? Well done if you did. It is the odd one out because it is the only calculation that's been completed using the expanded multiplication method. A and C have both been solved using the short multiplication method. Well done if you got this correctly. Okay, here one more for you to have a go. Identify and explain the mistake in Kelly's work. Then work out the correct answer. 87 multiply 3. Okay, what is her mistake? Pause the video and have a go. Welcome back. Let's do this together. Now we know that 3 multiply 7 is what? 21. 21. So why has she written 8 here? If it is 21, then 1 is meant to be here, and then 2 is changed to the tens place. Okay, so I found her mistake. So her mistake is she has multiplied 3 times 7 as 28 rather than 21. So the correct answer for this calculation should be 261 and not 268. Now let's take a look at multiplying 3 digits by 1 digit. Compact short multiplication. We've been asked to complete the following calculation, and we have just been told that the number to be multiplied is the multiplicand and the number we're multiplying with is the multiplier. Multiplier, multiplicand. So let's solve this problem. Remember, we are now practicing multiplying 3-digit number by 1-digit number. So first, just like we learned when we multiplied 2 digits by 1 digit, first we multiply the ones. So what is 9 times 7? 9 times 7 is 63. So I'm going to have 6 and I'm going to have 3 in the ones place, and then I will exchange the 6 tens to the tens place. Next, I'm going to multiply the tens, which is 9 multiply 8. 8 is the tens. So 9 multiply 8 is 72. Remember, we exchanged 6. So 72 plus 6 gives us 78. So I'm going to have 8 in the tens place, and I will exchange the 7 to the hundreds place. And then finally, we're going to multiply 9 times 4 in the hundreds. So 9 times 4 is 36. 36 plus the 7 we exchanged is 43. So we have 43 up here. So our answer is 4,383. I hope this is clear. Always remember, when you're multiplying, just as when we are adding, when we are subtracting, we always start with the ones. We make exchange where we need to, then we move to the tens, then we move to the hundreds, then we move to the thousands if there is a thousands digit, and on and on and on. But we just practice how to multiply 3-digit number by 1-digit number. These are for you to have a go. Try these multiplication problems using short multiplication. Remember, practice, practice, practice. The more you practice a thing, the more you get good at it. So please practice, practice, practice. I bet you are confident with today's lesson. I will see you in the next video. Please like, subscribe, and share for more videos. Bye for now.